Greetings from a majestic spot by the sea and natural piece of beauty in a form of sea cave. Yes, this is Knappelskärsgrottan, a beautiful natural sea cave out on the Baltic Sea, located in Nynäshamn. And I have been taking a few photos and videos here before this video, and it looks absolutely stunning. Such a majestic feeling. Just look at that. It's so beautiful, and I'm so happy that I have traveled all the way here in Nynäshamn today on this Wednesday, 2nd of July, and right now it is exactly noon, 12:00, and the sun is finally back after some cloudy morning. But even though it was supposed to be a hot day today, which it obviously is in central Stockholm, here on the sea it's a bit cooler, as currently here in Nynäshamn is 17 degrees, while in the central Stockholm it is 21 degrees Celsius, and the forecast yesterday said that it's going to be 27, but I think the forecast changed quite fast, maybe because of the winds that are incoming. But yeah, nothing will stop me from continuing my beach adventures, and today is beach number 47, and it's actually the first time that I have came here from the land, as I usually am chilling on the rocks behind these cliffs and then swimming to Knappelskär. But this is maybe the fourth time I'm here. I have been here last year, and I remember it was so amazing. It was much hotter day back then, but now it's more beautiful because there are basically no people. And so it was a long ride for me to get here. First I took the bus to Älvsjö, where I took the commuter train that goes to Nynäshamn, almost 1 hour ride with the train, and then followed by a short bus ride to Löfhagen, after which I had like 1.5 kilometer walk to get to this piece of beauty. And I was passing by the forest and also Knappelskärsgrottan, the beach that's located a few hundred meters away from here, that was almost completely empty, just people hanging there with clothes on. And that beach is wonderful because it's facing both sides, both east and west, so you can basically change the location as you wish. So let's check out the sea temperature, as yesterday in Haninge it was 17 degrees Celsius. Let's see if what are we talking about right here. And I just found here a very nice spot to swim out as well, so it's gonna be super amazing indeed. Okay, let's see. Here it is very slippery, but we'll try to measure it anyway, as I'm showing you the view from. Maybe I need to measure somewhere else. It's super slippery, so I don't want to fall. I almost fell. Like this. As I'm showing you the passing by boats here in Knappelskär in Nynäshamn. The water is so clean and so nice, the most beautiful Baltic Sea, and the verdict says 15 degrees Celsius. That's decent for an almost open sea, which means that we are good to go. As the executive of the EBO, Martin Osterdahl, used to say, he has now actually stepped down, and there will be a new executive director. Not that it was his fault for the last scandals in Eurovision, since it is a union and it's a larger group of people than just him, but yeah, he has taken a lot of, I guess his work was a lot of stressful with the recent events in the world and Eurovision. All right, so let's go in for a swim with the beautiful view of the sea cave Knappelskärsgrottan. Stunning, just stunning. I wouldn't have wished for a better place to be today in the beautiful nature in Nynäshamn with a swim in the most beautiful sea. So ready, set and go! Ooh. Now that is salty, believe me, so much salt. I'm standing now on a rock with seagrass, and you can see I'm all alone here in right next to the sea cave Knappelskärsgrottan. It's one of the most famous sea caves as well here in Stockholm, so if you are the adventurous type of person, you should visit Knappelskärsgrottan. And you can either hike into it, it's not that hard, but it's not so super easy as well, or you can also swim around or come by a kayak or something. But enough chit-chatting, let's dive in once again and enjoy. Oh my god, I love the sea. It's so beautiful. So this will be my spot for today. I may go later around the cliffs because it's easier to lay down. And I was expecting more wind, but nothing so far. And yeah, greetings from Knappelskärsgrottan, the Majestic sea cave in Nynäshamn, Stockholm region. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.